The next question is, there are two varieties of juice in which juice and water are in the ratio 3:5 and 7:3 respectively. In what proportion must the two be mixed in order to get a new mixture with juice to water ratio as 5:3? And the options are option A 10:3, option B 3:7, option C 3:10 and option D 5:3. So as per the question, we have two varieties of juice in which the ratio of juice to water is given, and we have to find the proportion in which these two juices have to be mixed in order to get a new juice with juice to water ratio as 5:3. So first assume that the two juices be A and B, and as per the question, juice A contains juice and water in the ratio 3:5. That is, the first part represents the juice part and the second number represents the water part. We can write it as the part of juice in juice A is 3/8 of A and the water part is 5/8 of A. Similar is the case for juice B. For juice B, the ratio of juice to water is given as 7:3. So the juice part in juice B is 7/10 of B and the water part in juice B is 3/10 of B. Now we have to mix these two juices in order to get a new mixture or new juice, whose ratio will be 5:3. That is, the ratio of juice and water for this new mixture must be 5:3. So the new mixture, the juice part of new mixture will be the sum of juice part of juice A and juice B, and similarly the water part of the new mixture will be the sum of water part of juice A and juice B. This can be formulated as juice by water is equal to 5/3 as per the condition given in the question, which is required. So instead of juice of the new mixture, we can write it as the sum of juice parts of A and B, which is 3/8 of A plus 7/10 of B, divided by the water part of two juices, 5/8 of A plus 3/10 of B. This should be equal to 5/3. So this is the equation we have derived from the statements given in the question. Now rearrange the terms and simplify to get the ratio of A is to B. And finally we will get the ratio as 3:10. Thus the proportion in which the two juices A and B must be mixed in order to get a new mixture with juice to water ratio as 5:3 is 3:10, and which represents the option C.